Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix WhatsApp audio play screen off problem or how to fix WhatsApp sensor problem. The first thing that I would recommend you do is go into Play Store, and I'm going to recommend that you download a proximity sensor. So you're going to type in proximity sensor, and you're going to download the third option right here, proximity sensor screen on and off. And after you have downloaded the app, you're going to go into settings, and you're going to scroll down and select apps. And from here you want to tap on the search icon in the top right hand corner and search for WhatsApp. After selecting WhatsApp, you are going to tap on storage, and you want to clear cache and clear data. After you have done that, you will go back. Then you are going to go into the app that you had downloaded earlier, the proximity sensor, and you want to tap on service enabled. Then you'll tap on OK. Then you want to select screen on, lock screen. You can see right there, proximity sensor on. You'll tap on activate. You'll tap on screen on also. And that's it. Now you should be able to listen to your audio without any problems on WhatsApp. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.